Most of the couples who come to us for conception, and we surely make them understand the importance of exercise, diet, and they go for a particular kind of diet which may be detrimental for conception.
Yeah.
So how would you explain that?
I agree, because oftentimes, say for example, if it's a PCOS patient and we tell them to lose weight, they think the faster they lose weight, the better it will be.
Correct.
But a crash diet is actually a double-edged sword. Yes, you definitely lose weight, but at the same time, you're causing a lot of micronutrient depletion within your body. These micronutrients are almost like the fertilizers of soil. Your body requires them to ensure a healthy pregnancy. So if we were to tell these couples, and perhaps you could just break it down for them, that alongside losing weight, you need to make sure that these micronutrient, it's like a micronutrient menu almost. You need to have that within your diet also. So the first one would be folic acid, which definitely all OBGYNs start before pregnancy. The second one, which is of a lot of importance, is zinc. So zinc, the easiest way to get it is just add 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seed to your diet every single day. That helps you meet your zinc requirements. The third one, which I feel a lot of people do miss out on, is iodine. Now, iodine is present in normal iodized table salt, but oftentimes couples think that pink salt is healthier. So if you're in preconception or you're pregnant, then please stay away from pink salt. Have the normal white salt, because that's what your body truly requires. And the fourth one, which is very important during pregnancy, is iron, because it helps with the blood flow and the hemoglobin presence in your body. If you have an iron-rich food, so say for example, you're having beetroot, have that with some vitamin C. So say for example, lemon, because that helps in the absorption of the iron in your body.
And just to add on, I think vitamin D, which is very important. So don't forget
Absolutely
to add the supplement or expose to sunlight.
Absolutely.